Hello guys, this is Crypto Dropper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how you can perform tasks on any club to earn free USDT commission daily. So if you've been following my videos on my channel, you already know this is not the first time I'm making a video about this platform. Okay, I've made several videos about this platform. I've shown you proofs of my withdrawal on this platform. Okay, and these are some of it. Okay, I've shown you proof of my withdrawal on this platform. Okay, and as you can see, I've already made several withdrawals from this platform. So currently this platform is still paying well, and I will show you guys how to perform tasks on it so that you also be earning from the platform. So Earning Club is an online platform where you can complete tasks daily to earn commission. So the tasks I'm talking about are very easy tasks, and you need to complete about 30 tasks, up to 30 tasks daily, and you can complete all of them in less than 5 minutes. They're very fast and easy to do. It doesn't require you to like any video, to watch any video or anything. All you have to do is you click a button, you wait for it to load, and you click another button, and that's all you have to do is just do that 30 times every day. So depending on the VIP level you are on, it's what determines how much you can make every day on the app. So currently I'm a VIP 3 member, as you can see, and I make about 0.55% of my total balance every day, okay, by completing tasks on the platform. And you can perform these tasks once you have anything between 50 to $199 on your, you're eligible to perform VIP 3 member tasks once you have anything between 50 to $199 on your account. Okay, so I've already explained more about this on my previous videos, so you can check them out. I don't really want to go deep into this right now, but if you need more information or you have questions about this, you can feel free to drop me in the comment section below, or you can check the description of this video where you also get a link that will direct you to a Telegram channel of open for people that have signed up who want to sign up on any club, where you can ask questions and answers will be provided to your questions. Okay, so how do you get started? How do you get started on this? Once you check the description of this video, you'll be able to find the registration link. Okay, all you have to do is you click on it and you register. Once you register and you set up your crypto wallet, okay, you register, you set up your crypto wallet. Once you've done that, you've set that up, you can now recharge to start earning. But as a new member on the platform, once you register, you get free $8. Yes, you heard me. You get free $8, which you can use to perform tasks for up to 5 days for free, and you'll be able to keep any amount you made during those 5 days on the platform. Now, how do you perform these tasks after registering? After registering, you see where it says order finance. Okay. Once you click on order finance, you're supposed to bring you to a place like this. So if you've not recharged on the platform and maybe you're earning as a new user, that's after getting the $8, you can just come over here to where it says Amazon trial. Okay, so that's VIP1. That's where you will use. Once you click on it, you have to do is you click on grabbing. Okay, so it's basically the same thing for all, but I'll be using VIP3 us for the purpose of this video, for demonstration purposes on how you can perform tasks. I'll be using VIP3. Okay, so we click on it. Since if you VIP1, VIP2, or whichever, you click on it. Once you click on it, as you can see, I've already performed all the tasks for today. That's all the orders. I've completed the orders for today, but I'll still just illustrate how it works. So basically, once you're here, all you have to do is you click on where it says grabbing. So once you click grabbing, it will load like this. So after it's done loading, it will show another button that says purchase. Okay, but unfortunately I've completed my orders for today. But after you click on grabbing, it will load like you just did, and it show you two buttons. One will say cancel, one will say purchase. Then you click on purchase, then it will load again. So when it's done loading, it will show you okay, then you click on okay, and that's all. You've successfully completed one order. That's one tax on the platform, and you'll be able to see the amount you earned here for that one tax. All you have to do is you repeat that 29 more times to make it 30 tax every day. Okay, and that's how you can stand a chance to make up to $1,800 every month, depending on the VIP plan you are on. Okay, so people that are on VIP 4, 5 can easily make up to $1,800 within a month. Okay, very easily make that much. But to do that, these are, as you can see, these are the requirements for those VIP levels. Okay, so that's basically that about how you can perform tax on this platform. And as a bonus tip before I end the video, I'll also be showing you guys one more way you can earn from this platform, and that is through referrals. Okay, so we can get your referral link on this platform by going to where it says invite friends. Here you can see it says where it says invite friends. Once you click on it, okay, and you share your registration link with your friends and family, and they sign up, your first level reference, that's your first level referral, you get 8% of all the commission they earn from this platform. You get 4% of the commission of your level 2 or second level referral, and you get 1% of your third level referrals earning from this platform. And apart from that, once anybody you refer becomes a valid user, what I mean by valid user is once they make a deposit on the, that's then once they make a recharge on the platform, to start earning from other VIP levels apart from the sign up bonus, you also and mission bonus. What do I mean by mission bonus? So come over here to say where it says mission. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see mission bonus depending on the amount of people you have invited and that have deposited to become valid users on the platform. You can claim free USDT. As you can see, if you invite one valid member, you get 0.5 USDT. For two valid members, you get 1 USDT. For 5 valid members, you get 2.5 USDT. For 10 valid members, you get 5 USDT, and so on and so forth. So those are the added incentives or bonuses you can earn by inviting friends to also earn with you on the platform. And if you have any problem, any questions, you can feel free to contact their customer care by clicking on this icon, and they will reply to you almost immediately. Okay, so I think with this I come to the end of this video. If you like what I just did, if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. Okay, and feel free to join my Telegram channel where you receive more updates about how you can earn money online from cryptocurrency and platforms like this, and also on airdrop tokens. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.